Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of importing your contacts into Gmail using your Android device. Let's get started. First, grab your Android phone or tablet and open the Contacts app. This is where all your contacts live, and we'll be using it to bring in new ones. Once you have the app open, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal more options. Now, select Manage Contacts from the menu. This option will give you access to the tools you need to handle your contacts effectively. Next, tap on Import or Export Contacts. A new screen will appear, giving you a couple of choices for managing your contacts. To move forward, tap Import. You'll now see different sources from which you can import your contacts. This could be from your SIM card or a VCF file, for instance. Once you choose your source, the next step is to select the Google account where you want to save these imported contacts. It's simple and ensures all your contacts are safely backed up in Gmail. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.